Dear Sandy, my teacher says the Continental Army had some major advantages over the British Army during the American Revolution. Can you explain? From Ollie. Great question, Ollie. Your teacher is right. The Continental Army had some major advantages even though the British Army was bigger and stronger. The British Army was one of the strongest military forces in the world. The British Navy's 270 warships controlled the seas. British shipyards built over 200 more warships during the war. Great Britain's army was large and well-trained. British soldiers were experienced fighters who were paid to serve in the army full-time. Great Britain could afford all the needed supplies for their army, including proper clothing and meals.
You would think this would mean the British would automatically win the war. But the Continental Army had a few things the British Army did not have. Continental soldiers had a special advantage over the British, a stronger motivation, or desire, to win.